Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete friends on Top War. So let's go ahead and continue right away. Open your Top War application from your app drawer and make sure that you're inside your game. Once the game loads on your device, you'll end up in this main homepage. Simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon located at the top left-hand corner. From your profile page, tap on Friends at the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll be able to open up your friend list. Go ahead and select your friend you'd like to delete. And then tap on the three dots right next to their user ID. Now, you'll be able to see several options. To delete a friend or unfriend them from Top Wars, simply tap on the Unfriend button in the pop-up. To confirm deleting your friend, tap on OK, and as you can see that you have successfully deleted a friend on Top War. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.